Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your Ford Mustang key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the casing. This is where you'll insert your small flathead screwdriver. With a gentle but firm hand, carefully insert the tip of the screwdriver into the slot. Then, slowly twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. You should hear a slight click as it begins to open, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct installation of the new battery. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, it's time for the ultimate test. Head to your Ford Mustang and try locking and unlocking the doors to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.